AiXun new arrival F3000 farad capacitor spot welder is coming. Adopt two 2.8 V3000 F supercapacitors. Support PD/QC fast charge. Ensure sufficient power storage. Support convert aluminum to nickel mode, no nickel converted mode, and high output power mode. Open the package of spot welder. There is a F3000 inside. 2 spot welding handles. 2 spot welding tips. 1 spot welder fixture for battery. 1 Type-C cable. 1 user manual and a certificate. Firstly, unscrew the nuts in front of the 2 spot welding handles. Place the spot welding tips into spot welding handles. Screw the nuts. Then insert spot welding handles into the device. Connect Type-C cable to the device. Charging is available after charger is connected. Note: support fast charging of chargers above 9V. Main interface, turn on the device. Single press button M to turn on. The main interface of F3000 can be seen. The battery power of the device is displayed on the upper left corner. Below is the current voltage of the device. The current status of the device is on the upper right corner. Below is the spot welding times of the spot welding handles. Down on the bottom is the set power of spot welding handles. The plus key on the right can increase the set power. The key can decrease the power. Connect spot welder fixture for battery to any of vacant ports, the device. Single press button M to switch welding mode. Aluminum to nickel mode, no nickel converted mode, and high output power mode. Settings. Long press button M to enter the setting interface of the device. The first one is welding settings. There is manual mode and automatic mode. Choose the automatic mode. Long press button M to return to main interface. It can be seen that the set power at the bottom of main interface disappears. It becomes automatic mode on the upper right corner. The second one is pulse settings. There is monopulse and double pulses. The third one is standby settings. Users can set the automatic standby time here. Minimum is 5 minutes, maximum is 60 minutes. Press button M to activate the device after standby is done. The fourth one is buzzer settings. It can be chosen to turn on or off. Choose to turn off. The device enters into mute state. The fifth one is language settings. Chinese and English can be set. Software upgrade. Computer can be used for upgrade after it is connected to the device. Use Type-C cable to connect computer. Download AiXun platform from AiXun official website. Open AiXun platform. Connect the other end of Type-C cable to the device. Long press button M immediately, the beep sound can be heard from the device. The device will be recognized by the platform automatically. When a new version is updated later, select the version that needs to be upgraded. Click Upgrade to upgrade it to the latest version. Click Parameter. F3000 can be set at AiXun platform as well. Save the data after setting is finished. Read data and reset is available as well. Turn off the device. This is the end of the operation video of F3000 farad capacitor spot welder. To learn more about AiXun products and software update, please follow AiXun official YouTube channel AiXun Tech. More real-time updates on related videos will be posted.